gonna need a bucket with water. So we're gonna put dish soap in the water, kinda spread it around. Not too much, but maybe too much, I don't know how much. That's probably will do. And then kinda spread it with the finger gently, you know, very gently spread it with the finger, you know what I mean? Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of jokes in the comments, that's what she said. So then we're gonna grab our protein and just open it and put it upside down into water and kinda spray it. You see we got bubbles. Then we're gonna scoop these bubbles up and move away from that bucket because it's full with a bunch of stuff and light it up. Pretty cool, huh? Check it out. Water. We're gonna put water in a can, this 100 milliliters. You see there is no dents, and everybody knows that if you have 100 milliliters left water inside, you can bounce water like that. You see? Not too epic, a lot of people knows it. But what I'm gonna show you is more epic. Let's bring our measuring cup up and bounce it on a rim of the glass. You gotta be very patient to do this. You see there is no bumps right here. So this is completely normal can, not deformed. All we have is 100 milliliters of water. And sometimes it takes a while to get it, but it's possible. Check it out. And now it's floating in the air like that. Let's check out the close. Oh snap. You see how I didn't cut all the way? Because I'm gonna be just like pushing it on this side right here. Peel on it and pull it out. This part we're gonna need, you see like it's clear, and this part with this stuff we're not gonna need. Alright, and then you're gonna need a lighter. We grab this part like this sideways and apply fire on it till you see like a it starts like a small dent coming down. Like apply like circles, and then you gotta be quick, blow on it. You gotta be really quick. Is that insane? Check this out. It's like a bag. Then we're gonna get the waves, the string, and the pen. And as you can see, I tied up the waves to this side right here, and the pencil on the other side. But I'm thinking too tall, so my head might get cut off. This is a cool take, and tell me how does this work scientifically. So let's go. Check it out. And it didn't pop. And this works every single time. You put on your finger like this, let go the pencil, it's gonna lock up on your finger, and the base not gonna fall. Alright, here's what you do. You stick one match on one side and one match on the other side. Close that, just put it down, grab a third match and stick it in between, just on edges, and light it up on this side right here. You seen that? Alright, let's try this again. We're gonna replace it, same stuff, put a third match just on edges. That's how it's gonna look like. Let's do it. Yeah, get two books of yours, like with a soft cover, and put them together like that and start intervening them. Just put couple pages over here, couple pages over here. if you like put more pages in Arduino, the better it's gonna work. Alright, that's it. 2 books in Arduino like that, and now we're gonna grab by these 2 pieces. Like you see, the book ends over here, so you grab by this piece, and the other side of book ends over here. And you ask somebody to pull it apart, you know, and it's like impossible. Mythbusters did the video of that, and that's just impossible to do that. So you guys try it yourself, see if you can do it. So we're gonna make a small hole with the knife. Alright, we're gonna get that static electricity on our pipe, plastic pipe. We'll lift it up and see what happens. You see how it bends? You see how it bends a lot? Pretty crazy, huh? I'm not gonna touch it. So first thing we're gonna do, grab our pliers and toothpick and hook them up like that, and just, you know, if you let it go, it's gonna stay like that, like kinda pinch it. And then we're gonna grab our water and dip it in kinda sideways. Alright, and that's how it's set up. There's a toothpick, pliers, and right here, using this book to steady my hands up and put it at the drop so we can see what's going on in the water. Alright, we're gonna turn off the light and put the laser on a water drop and see what we got. Oh, look at that nastiness. There's a big one. Oh, this is freaking me out big times. An egg in a glass, and then pour white vinegar in there. We're gonna leave it soak in for like a couple hours or so. But check out what will happen when we soak it in. Just half a glass will do. And we're gonna make naked egg. So anyways, we're gonna leave it alone for a couple hours and come back to it. Alright, check it out. This egg looks like it's done. We're gonna take it out, and you probably can wash it off, but yeah, I'll just wipe it off, I guess. As you can see, it's like pretty much naked egg. You see, and it's bouncy. Pretty crazy, huh? Crazy bouncy egg, or you can call it naked egg experiment. Very fun way to do it.